Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. This video is going to be another review of 3-digit by 2-digit multiplication. Our first example problem is 953 times 64. I'm Mr. Camilleri, and this is the Mr. Camilleri Show YouTube channel. So we're going to start out in the ones place. We're going to multiply 3 times 4. 3 times 4 equals 12. Because our product is more than 10, we're going to have to regroup. The 2 and 12 is going to go in the ones place. The 1 is going to get carried over to the tens place. Next, we're going to multiply 5 times 4. 5 times 4 equals 20. We have to add the one that we carried over. 20 plus 1 equals 21. Again, we regroup because our product is more than 10. So the 1 and 21 goes in the tens place. The 2 gets carried over to the hundreds place. 9 times 4 equals 36, plus 2 equals 38. All right, now we're going to multiply the top 3 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. Now, since both digits in the ones place have already been multiplied, we're going to put a 0 in the ones place. Three times 6 equals 18. Again, we regroup because our product's more than 10. The 8 and 18 goes in the tens place. The 1 is going to get carried over to the hundreds place. 5 times 6 equals 30, plus 1 equals 31. The 1 goes in the hundreds place. The 3 gets carried over to the thousands place. 9 times 6 equals 54, plus 3 equals 57. Now, to get our final answer, we have to add these two numbers together. So 2 plus 0 equals 2. 1 plus 8 equals 9. 8 plus 1 also equals 9. 3 plus 7 equals 10. 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 5 equals 6, and we have our final answer. 953 times 64 equals 60,992. All right, next example problem. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit the like button. It really helps the algorithm. All right, 727 times 35. That'll be my next example problem. I'm probably going to alternate between doing live streams where I do this method and live streams where I do the Lattice method. That way, you'll get several demonstrations on both methods. All right, so we're starting in the ones place. 7 times 5 equals 35. Because our product is more than 10, we regroup. The 5 and 35 goes in the ones place. The 3 gets carried over to the tens place. 2 times 5 equals 10, plus 3 equals 13. The 3 and 13 goes in the tens place. The 1 and 13 gets carried over to the hundreds place. 7 times 5 again equals 35, plus 1 equals 36. All right, so now we're going to multiply the top 3 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please remember to hit the like button. Now, since both digits in the ones place have already been multiplied, we're going to put a 0 in the ones place. 7 times 3 equals 21. Again, our product's more than 10, so we're going to regroup. The 1 and 21 goes in the tens place. The 2 gets carried over to the hundreds place. 2 times 3 equals 6. We add the 2 that we carried over. 6 plus 2 equals 8. Now, we do not need to regroup in the hundreds place because our product is less than 10. We only regroup when our product is 10 or more. 7 times 3 equals 21. Now, to get our final answer, we have to add these two numbers together. All right, 5 plus 0 equals 5. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 6 plus 8 equals 14. 4 carry the 1. 1 plus 3 plus 1 equals 5. And 0 plus 2 equals 2. And we have our final answer. 727 times 35 equals 25,445. All right. I'm going to do one more example problem before we call it a video. Maybe two. See how it goes. But please hit the like button. It really helps the algorithm. I appreciate everybody being here. All right, 283 times 15. It's kind of an easier one here. All right, 3 times 5 equals 15. 5 carry the 1. 8 times 5 equals 40, plus 1 equals 41. 1 carry the 4. 2 times 5 equals 10, plus 4 equals 14. All right, now we're multiplying the top 3 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. Both the digits in the ones place have already been multiplied, so we are going to put a 0 in the ones place. 3 times 1, anything multiplied by 1 is going to be the number itself, so 3 times 1 equals 3. 8 times 1 equals 8. And 2 times 1 equals 2. Very simple math there. And notice we didn't do any regrouping because all of our products were less than 10. And we only regroup when our products are 10 or more. All right, now we're going to add these two numbers together to get our final answer. 5 plus 0 equals 5. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 4 plus 8 equals 12. 2 carry the 1. And 1 plus 1 plus 2 equals 4. And we have our final answer. 283 times 15 equals 4,245. All right, since I have some more people tuning in, I am going to do one more example problem. Shout out to everybody here. I appreciate you. Please hit the like button. Helps the algorithm a lot. All right, 538 times 94. That'll be my next problem. Example problem number 4. So we're starting in the ones place. 8 times 4 equals 32. 2 carry the 3. 3 times 4 equals 12. Plus 3 equals 15. 5 carry the 1. 5 times 4 equals 20. Plus 1 equals 21. Next, we're multiplying the top 3 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. Since both digits in the ones place have been multiplied, we're putting a 0 in the ones place. 8 times 9 equals 72. The 2 in the 72 goes in the tens place. The 7 gets carried over to the hundreds place. Three times 9 equals 27, plus 7 equals 34. 4 carry the 3. 5 times 9 equals 45. 5 times 9 equals 45, plus 3 equals 48. So next, to get our final answer, we have to add these two numbers together. 2 plus 0 equals 2. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 2 plus 8 equals 10. 0 carry the 1. And 1 plus 4 equals 5. And we have our final answer. 538 times 94 equals 50,572. All right, that is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there was an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments and I'll do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri, signing off.